Anybody seen the Hellcat?
Got that fire.
Where? Woo! There it is. Yeah, Jermaine, it's been a good day today. We're just out here chilling. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day. It's actually pretty nice looking outside today. Sun's out, a little cold, but we got a project today. So as I told you guys before, we're gonna go ahead and work on the SRT today. Putting on this SRT LED badge. If you're just tuning in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me thumbs up, thumbs down if you like this video. At the end of the video, leave any comments below as well. So today I'm gonna show you guys on how to install this SRT badge. Show you where I'm connecting it to, showing you where I'm actually placing it on the bumper of the SRT Jeep, and then hopefully we can get this thing connected, man. It seems pretty simple. It's a power ground application, and in addition to some two nuts that you have to bolt on the back side of the let's say grill piece on the Jeep. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out today. Let me show you guys what we got. So we ordered this from Lume. Here you go. Right here is the SRT badge, right here. So looks pretty sturdy, looks pretty waterproof. You have the plate, the backing plate right here, which sandwiches in between. You have the backing plate right here. So this goes in the grill itself, and then this is a backing plate that sandwiches between the grill and the light itself. And then you secure it with these two nuts here, and then power and ground it, man. So it looks like a tap-in wire. I need to find out where I'm going to tap that into. I need to make sure this is some type of accessory wire. When you turn the truck on, that's when it comes on, because obviously it's got the running daylight light, so that might be another source of power for me. But yeah, we'll see, man. So yeah, this is the wife's Jeep SRT. If you're just tuning in, this is a 2018 Jeep SRT. So we did a couple mods to it. I'll give you guys a quick walk around after I'm finished and it's all cleaned up. But yeah, we'll just do some 22s on there, splitter, side skirts, rear spoiler, and that is about a cold air intake and a boiler cap back attack exhaust. So, and then we matted out the roof to match the glass to kind of make it give it I guess a little contrast when it comes to the color. So stay tuned though. We definitely got some more stuff coming along with this Jeep. Well, we are going to do some type of vinyl wrap on it. If you guys haven't seen my Camaro, I just finished the wrap on the Camaro in a 3M Caribbean shimmering paint, I guess you could say. Not paint, but wrap. And with the Jeep, we got something coming pretty cool. So we just well, we haven't ordered it yet, but we're going to order it, and we're ordering our material, if you guys wanted to know, from metrostyling.com. They do ship overseas, and that's the great part about that company, because it's hard to find some companies that ship actually overseas. So all I gotta do, man, telling you guys, man, stay tuned, because this Jeep is about to be something else this summer. So I got a thought, an idea. The wife has a thought, an idea in her head of how she wants to do it, in conjunction with possibly powder coating the rims again. But we'll see what happens. So all I gotta do is stay tuned. So let's go ahead and that's enough rambling for me. Let me go ahead and start getting this done. Set you guys up on the tripod, show you guys what I'm gonna take apart on this Jeep to get this light installed. Hopefully it's a simple application. My arms and hands are pretty big, so I don't know if I can get it in where I need it to be at without having to take the whole bottom panel off. But the wife should be coming back here soon from the store, so maybe she can assist me in bolting this up. But we'll see what I can do with what I got. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so what I'm doing is I fed the wire through one of the holes right here, because I'm gonna place it this low, and then so the wire goes in one of the holes prior next to it, and I'll put the bolt placement here, and then I'll slide this one over some and put it in there, so it's going to be kind of hidden out the way. I think that placement is good to go. And then the wiring itself, I just got to run the wire all the way through. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing mounted right here, and see what it looks like. I think that's good enough. Not too low, low enough, but not too low. So, and it has some type of it's got some type of like curvage right here, so it needs to be mounted low so it stays straight once it's mounted. So I think right here would be perfect for it. Or let me see what it looks like that. No, up there's good. That's fine. That'd be perfect right there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this mounted. Put you guys down real quick on this tripod. This is the hard part, man, trying to squeeze my fingers like this to hold the bolt and that. Got it on there. Let's see if we can get it started. Yo, success. Got the nut started on here. All right, so let's keep cinching this one down. All right, guys, so I had to take the, let me show y'all what I did so far. I had to take the sensor off. The easiest way to, I think, get to it. I got my arm in there, but my arm's still too damn big, so I use the air tool right here to be able to cinch down that one side of the nut. Now I have my handy dandy partner over here. She got her hand, she don't want to put her face in it because her hair, it says all jacked up because she went running this morning. But as you guys can see, I'm not gonna put on this face. I got her little bitty arm.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, as you can see it's a little cold out here. So what I did was I took the clothes hanger, fed it through here. Alright, and then I ran it all the way up through just a couple locations, try to hide the wire out the way. Then I'm going to ground it here. So I'll unscrew this off here. Then I'll tap into a power source, an accessory source. So let's go ahead and try to get to it. Alright guys, so I got it all wired up, it's all tightened, all the stuff's put back together. Moment of truth here, with the SRT badge at the bottom, as you guys can see. Go ahead and check it out. Hell yeah, lit up. So it's connected to the lights, not the daytime running lights. So if I start it up right real quick, you'll tell. Baby, can you close the door real quick? So just went off. Turn it up. So the daytime running lights are on. I unlock it and turn on the headlights. And that's our two badge lights up. Liking it? Yeah? She's super excited. Alright, you want to move it out of the way? Jeep? Can I put my Camaro right here? Alright. Let me turn it off. That's all good. Alright guys, so that just shows you that's an install real quick on the SRT LED emblem. You know, it could have been a little bit easier installing. I know it's cold out here, man. As you guys see, I got all this clothing on. But it could have been a lot more easier to install this. But I mean, time consuming, it probably would have been the same time frame. The easiest way to do it is to take the underbelly pan off, and you're able to reach on the back underneath side here to bolt this on, right? So what I ended up doing is I was able to pop this off, remove that. All right, and I was able to get my hand and arm through there. My wife was able to do it as well. I was able to put the nut, the washer, the back plate, and all that stuff on there, tighten it all down. So it's on there, it's snug. All right, and then after that, took the wire, clothes hanger, forced the wire through all the way through the top, grounded. I showed you guys where I grounded it at. Positive on the positive, you want to connect it to the one pin on the headlight, and it will turn on when your headlights come on. All right, so like I said, it's not connected to your daytime running lights, but it is connected to your headlights. So that concludes the Lume install on the SRT badge. Wife's excited. What's the next thing you're gonna get?
Wrap.
What? Say it again.
Wrap.
She talking about getting a wrap. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it next. So that's the next thing for the Jeep. But stay tuned for that, man, because we got some pretty cool designs we're gonna do with it. But yeah, that's going to conclude today's video for the SRT install on the LED Lume badge. So if you can, go ahead and hit that smash that subscribe button, as well as leave any comments below. Let me know what you guys think, and appreciate y'all all the love and support so far. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I was hoping to get it by January 1st, but it didn't happen. So it's all good though. Keep on pushing, right? That's what we're going to keep doing. So other than that, guys, I'm out. Appreciate it.
Ldubble, bring that heat, boy.